with the shit.
Yeah, yeah. Drinking dope turned me to a superhero, yeah.
Oh, it's so nice.
A Bradley Angel. Oh, because he's Jesus, mini Jesus?
Oh yeah.
Whoa, it came out really good.
There you go, it is like.
Jesus. Ah!
Jesus?
Jesus.
Jesus.
Ah!
I caught that with my face. Hey, don't hit the car, don't. My hands are so cold. Oh, my hands are so cold.
What's so cold? Okay, I'm getting up.
We can make some of it.
Ah! Oh!
Oh, it's so cold.
No.
Oh, I just got lightheaded.
Not used
You
to
crashed
it.
with the snow or something? What?
Oh God, huh?
Snow on the front.
Why is it covered in snow? Kind of make a big old snowman. Look at all the trail, dude. And then turn it around. Yeah. Damn. It's bigger than my head.
Oh yeah.
Way bigger, yeah. It's like, dude, that was like 3 of my heads right there. Well, don't make it smooth yet. You're just wasting snow.
Oh my god. Oh!
Oh, it's so cold. Oh, that was.
Andrew!
Oh! Why are you wasting on yourself?
Should someone special. Maybe I'm not. Oh, it's so cold.
I thought that was blood.
Hey! Why would you bring your new shoes out?
Look
Let it
at
get
your
wet.
grip tape is all messed up.
Yeah, and why would you guys want to fucking do that? And then his shoes are like that.
Oh.
Oh no, catch it!
Let me see it. Wow.
Wait, compare it to my head. Compare it to my head.
I just dumped it on you now.
Oh.
It's this, dude.
You missed. My hands are so cold. Watch out. You won't? You won't? Come on this side though. Yeah, he won't. Nah, no, you will. Oh! He said.
Did you get too close?
I know that was. Yeah, that was grateful. Oh! Hey, squeeze the water out of that so I can drink it. You won't? Oh my God! Hey, the wind is warm, bro. you threw the sock. Don't throw it at him. Whip him with it. Dude, they're playing with the sock. That's. Oh!
Stop playing sock.
The sock. Ew. That's gross. What the hell?
You made me pick
Hey,
it up.
grab a big old piece. Oh, like this. Look at. Scoop it all up. I dropped it off. Oh, damn, you got bigger than me. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you.
I'll clean off your car.
Oh, thank you.
Ow. Fuck, my stomach
Yeah, bro, just get it off the neighbor's car. Fucking idiot.
I'll throw more on this car.
The neighbor.
Get his ass. And fuck that kid.
Hey, that's a cop car.
Huh? Oh. So now it's a snow car. Oh. I don't miss, fool. Oh my. The sock. That's the worst retaliation ever, the sock. Oh, my gloves. McLovin is there's no way you just said that. Bro.
Oh fuck! My hands are red.
Look at my hands.
It's alright. Oh fuck! I think I have frostbite.
Nah.
It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. No.
Leave it alone. Why are we gonna throw it at you from here?
Hey, we're keeping it protected. Keeping it warm.
Kids brawling now.
I count money. I count money.
This fucking idiot.
I count money. I'm fucking
More, second more. Oh, there. Respect it.
Oh my god. Oh shit, no. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah, nigga. Come here. Holy shit. Oh, god damn. Alright, ready?
Yeah. I feel like I thought you were just faking it, but then I hear like the mumbles in your voice. It's on your lip.
The fuck?
Here, put it in your mouth and I'll squeeze it out.
Hold on. I don't know where the hole is. Oh.
Holy shit. Yo, what the fuck was
Three
this?
little birds sat on my window. Oh fuck.
Dude, what the fuck was that explosion? That was kind of scary.
And they told me I don't need a worry. Ah. Hold on. Ready.
Hannah.
So, I love you. Until I love you. Shit, I'm getting dizzy. Fuck.
Hey, actually? Dude, you haven't had the shit on your... You're like, let me fuck you. Dude. You know, tripping in the...
Suck it up already.
Okay.
Hi guys, it's SpongeBob. What the fuck, man?
Your tongue is so
Holy
white.
shit. Huh? My tongue is white? What the fuck?
Your lips are all covered in white stuff. You look like you were eating on that crack, bro.
Oh god.
Your voice is back to normal now.
Oh god.
That was... I'm getting wet. I'm gonna try to get a nice shot of the moon. Oh!